Hey, hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. I'm back with one another video with quite an awesome and a tricky challenge this time too. So what we're gonna do today is that we will be guessing all the capital cities of whole 196 countries over the globe here, like these continents, Europe, North America, Asia, Oceania, South America, Africa. So let's start this tricky but an interesting challenge. Like we will be trying to guess like 170 out of 196 at least. So here we go. Albania it's Tirana, Andorra it's Andorra la Vella, Austria it's Vienna, Belarus is Minsk, Belgium is it Brussels? Yeah, Bosnia and Herzegovina Sarajevo, Bulgaria is Sofia, Croatia it's Zagreb, Czech Republic Prague, Denmark Copenhagen, Estonia is Tallinn, Finland is Helsinki, France is Paris, Germany is Berlin, Greece is Athens, Hungary is Budapest, Iceland is Reykjavik, Ireland is Dublin, Italy is Rome, Kosovo is Pristina, Latvia is Riga, Liechtenstein is Vaduz, Lithuania is Vilnius, Luxembourg is Luxembourg city actually. Yeah, Malta is Valletta, Moldova is Chisinau, my favorite European city. Monaco is Monaco City actually. Montenegro is Podgorica. Netherlands is Amsterdam. North Macedonia Skopje. Norway is Oslo. Poland is Warsaw. Portugal is Lisbon. Romania is Bucharest. Russia is Moscow. San Marino is San Marino. Not Sam, San Marino. Serbia is Belgrade. Oh, so much typing error actually. Belgrade. Slovakia, it's Bratislava. Slovenia is, how is it pronounced? L. It's Ljubljana actually. They do not pronounce the J word. Spain, it's Madrid. Sweden, it's Stockholm. Switzerland, Bern. Ukraine, Kiev. United Kingdom, London. Vatican City is Vatican City. So with this we completed whole of the Europe. Now let's shift to North America. Antigua and Barbuda, St. John's. Bahamas, Nassau. Barbados is Bridgetown. Belize. What was Belize? It was something like Belmopan. Yeah, right. Canada is Ottawa. Costa Rica is San Jose. Cuba is Havana. Dominica was Rosiao. Dominican Republic was Santo Domingo. No dots. Santo Domingo. Yeah, right. El Salvador was San Salvador. Grenada was St. George. Guatemala was Guatemala City. Haiti was Port-au-Prince actually. Quite a unique name. Honduras was Tegucigalpa. Jamaica was Kingston. Mexico was Mexico City. Nicaragua was Managua. Panama is Panama City. I didn't know these two. Trinidad and Tobago was Port of Spain. And United States is Washington DC. Asia. Let's shift to Asia. Afghanistan is Kabul. Armenia is Yerevan. Azerbaijan is Baku. Bahrain is Manama. Bangladesh Dhaka. Bhutan is Thimphu. Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan. Cambodia is Phnom Penh. China is Beijing. Beijing is my favorite Asian city actually. Cyprus is Delhi. I'm so sorry. East Timor is Delhi. Cyprus is Nicosia. Georgia is Tbilisi. India, New Delhi. Indonesia is Jakarta. Iran is Tehran. Iraq is Baghdad. Israel is Jerusalem. Japan is Tokyo. Jordan is Amman. Kazakhstan is Astana. Kuwait is Kuwait City. Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek. Laos is Vientiane. Lebanon is Beirut. Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Maldives is Malé. Mongolia Ulaanbaatar. Myanmar is Nay Pai Do. Nepal is Kathmandu. North Korea is Pyongyang. Oman is Muscat. Pakistan is Islamabad. Philippines it's Manila. And Qatar it's Doha. Here we reach 100 with this one. Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Singapore is Singapore City. Singapore. South Korea it's Seoul. Sri Lanka it's Sri Jayawardhanepura Kote. Syria it's Damascus. Damascus. Taiwan it's Tepai. Tajikistan it's Dushanbe. Dushanbe. Thailand it's Bangkok. Turkey it's Ankara. Turkmenistan it's Ashgabat. UAE or United Arab Emirates it's Abu Dhabi. Uzbekistan it's Tashkent. Vietnam Hanoi. Yemen it's Sana'a. Here we completed whole of Asia with this one. Oceania, Australia it's Canberra. Fiji is Suva. Kiribati. What was Kiribati? I honestly don't remember Kiribati right now, so let's skip it for a while. When we will remember it, we will type that. Marshall Islands it's Muhero. Nauru, it was like Yaren. New Zealand, it's Wellington. Papua New Guinea, it's Port Moresby. Samoa, it's Apia. Solomon Islands, it's Honiara. Tonga, I don't know. Tuvalu was Funafuti. Vanuatu, it was Port Vila. Which one's left? Kiribati, it was like something South Tarawa. Tawara actually. Or Tarawa. South Tarawa. Yeah, South Tarawa. So let's shift to South America. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Bolivia, La Paz. Brazil, it's Brasilia. Chile, it's Santiago. Colombia, Bogota. Ecuador, it's Quito. Guyana, Georgetown. Paraguay, it was something like Asuncion, or how is it pronounced? Asuncion, I think. Peru, it's Lima. Suriname, I don't know. Uruguay, it's Montevideo. Venezuela, it is Caracas. So now let's shift to Africa. Algeria, it's Algiers. Angola, it's Luanda. Benin, it was Porto Novo. Botswana, it was something like Gaborone. Burkina Faso, I don't know. Burundi, Cameroon, Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde was Praia. Central African Republic was something like Bangui. Chad, Comoros, I don't know. Democratic Republic of Congo was Kinshasa. And Republic of Congo was something like Brazzaville. Ville. Yeah, Brazzaville. Djibouti is Djibouti. Egypt is Cairo. Equatorial Guinea was something like Malabo. Yeah, Malabo. Eswatini was. I remembered Eswatini with Mbappe's name like Mbappe and Mbane. Ethiopia it's Addis Ababa. Gabon, I don't know. Gambia is Banjul. Ghana is Accra. Guinea, I don't know. Guinea Bissau is Bissau. I don't know Ivory Coast either. Kenya is Nairobi. I am weak at Africa actually. I don't know the capital cities of Africa that much. Madagascar, it's Antan, Anarivo, Antan, Anarivo. Yeah, right. Malawi, I don't know. Mali, I know that it is Bamako. Mauritania, it's something like Nouakchott. Oh, I have written it wrong. Nouakchott. Forgot its spelling. So let's shift to Mauritius. Mauritius was like Port Louis. What is happening with these spellings? Morocco, it was Rabat. Namibia, it was Windhoek. Niger, I don't know. Nigeria, it's like Abuja. Rwanda, I don't know. South Tome and Principe is South Tome and Principe. Senegal, Dakar. Seychelles, it is like Victoria. Sierra Leone, it is like Freetown. Somalia was something like Mogadishu. South Africa has three capitals: Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. So let's go with Pretoria. Yeah, it is right. Tanzania, I don't know. Togo is Lome. Tunisia is Tunis. Uganda is Kampala. Zambia, I don't know. Zimbabwe is Harare. I'm stuck with this Mauritania's capital. It was like Nouakchott. Yeah, it is. So we have completed as much we knew. Still a 3 minute timer is left, but we don't know any actually. That is the problem. Europe, we have completed the whole. These Saint Kitts and Nevis and Saint Lucia, I don't know either of them. Asia has completed the whole. Neither do I know any of these three is in Oceania. Suriname I remembered, but I didn't know its spelling or anything starting words. So let's just end this because we don't know anything more here. I don't know this Ivory Coast. It was something like that. Uh, how was it pronounced? Let's leave this. We should give up now. Only 26 more were left. At least we give it a good try. 170 is also a pretty decent score, I think. That's it. Let's see how much we scored this time. Yeah, it is all 170 are correct. 170, 80%, 87% we have reached. We are better than 78.3. The average high score is 99 and we reached 170. Probably a good score. Let's see which those we missed. St. Lucia it was Castries and St. Kitts and Nevis it was Basitri. Asia we completed whole. So just see this Oceania three capitals. This was Paramaribo. Yeah, nice one. Here, so this was it for this video. So if you like this video, do give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it. So if you will support us, I will really appreciate that a lot. So that's it. We will meet in another video. Thank you so much for viewing.